In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT for school 2026 full guide. School in 2026 is a new ballgame. Grading leans on critical thinking and real-world application, and most campuses run strict AI detection. If you copy and paste answers, you'll either get flagged or fall behind. Instead, treat ChatGPT like a 24/7 tutor to clarify hard topics, quiz you actively, and streamline your study routine ethically and effectively. Let's begin with using it to simplify complicated concepts. When a textbook paragraph feels unreadable, paste the confusing part into the chat and say, act as an incredibly patient and engaging high school teacher. Explain this concept in simple language and add an everyday life analogy. This turns dense theory into something you can visualize. If it still doesn't click, ask for a different analogy or a step-by-step breakdown. You can also ask it to check your understanding by restating the idea in your own words and having it confirm what's accurate or missing. Next, switch to the Socratic method for active learning. Passive reading won't stick. Pulling answers from your own memory will. Tell ChatGPT, I'm reviewing topic. Ask me one challenging question at a time. After I answer, tell me if I'm right or wrong, add brief context, then give me the next question. Ask it to wait for your reply, escalate difficulty gradually, and keep explanations concise. This trains recall, closes gaps, and builds confidence for test day. When exams approach, practice under pressure with mock tests. Share your syllabus or clean class notes and say, create a 5-question multiple choice quiz and 2 short answer questions focused on applying concepts, not just definitions. Don't show the answer key until I submit. Time yourself, then request targeted feedback on the questions you missed and a short refresher on the underlying ideas. For essays, never have AI write your paper, but do use it to build a rock-solid outline. Provide your topic and ask for a detailed structure with a thesis template, 3 core arguments, possible evidence types, and what to recap in the conclusion. Use that outline to plan your sources, add a counter argument in your own words, and make sure each section supports the thesis logically. Finally, run a formatting and citation check. If you're using APA, MLA, or Chicago, paste your raw source details and ask for perfectly formatted references and matching in-text citations. Request corrections if fields are missing and verify against your style guide. A vital integrity reminder. Schools use advanced plagiarism and behavioral AI scanning. Use ChatGPT as a study partner, brainstorming aid, and formatting assistant. Don't copy AI text into assignments or take-home tests. Keep your work authentically yours. Master AI as a catalyst, and you'll understand more, study smarter, and reduce stress. Thanks for watching and keep learning responsibly.